Hi, Kids Club family. It's Kathy Bean, your craft expert, your craft extraordinaire, your craft magician, some might say. All right, let's just face it, I'm the craft lady. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe and staying healthy and staying in your homes and enjoying your family and this extra time you get to spend with them. Mr. Brown asked me to do a craft for you guys, and since I'm at home, I figured I would do it at home. And I figured I would find some things around my house that we could use, because more than likely, your parents are not going to want to go out and buy anything. And it's pretty simple to do. And so I thought we would do a craft that anybody from 5th grade to kindergarten could do. And the craft that we're going to make is this. Some of you might know what this is, and some of you might not know what this is, but this is called a lifesaver or a life preserver. And most boats should have these on their boat. And sometimes when someone accidentally falls off the boat, or maybe, or if you're just in the water and you need saving, this is something that a lifeguard or someone on a boat would throw to you to save you. And they would throw it out in the water and you'd grab onto it and they'd pull you back in. And right now, during these uncertain times, we really need to remember that we need to turn to Jesus. And so I thought this would be a fun craft and a fitting craft for everything that we're going through right now. And I thought it would be a good reminder for you and your whole family to just to have hope and to trust in Jesus and know that he is our Savior and that we have nothing to worry about, because he's always going to be there to save us. So let's get started. Like I said, you can use pretty simple stuff. What I did is I used a cereal box. Ta-da, cereal box. So took the cereal box apart. You don't have to use a cereal box if you don't have one, but if you want to use a cereal box, you can, or you could use a piece of paper, or be creative. Find something else in your house to use. Then all you need is a cereal bowl. Oh, interesting, huh? And then a smaller bowl, but you don't have to. You can just draw a smaller circle on the inside of this bowl. And then you have a pencil, because you need to trace the circle. A pair of scissors to cut out the circles. A ruler if you want to, be precise, but you don't have to. You can just draw lines and not have to worry about them being straight. I liked them to be really straight. And then the last thing you need are 2 colors, red and blue. If you don't have red and blue, don't worry about it. You don't even have to do that. You can just write it down on the life preserver, what I wrote. So you can either use markers, crayons, color pencils, or just your pencil. So the first thing that you do is you put your bowl on the cardboard box or the cereal box, and you trace all the way around. Then you cut it out like so. Very fun. And your parents can help you if they would like to do one themselves. They're welcome to do one. It's actually pretty fun and therapeutic. So you cut out the circle after you trace it. Ta-da! There's your circle. Then after you use the big bowl, you take the smaller bowl, or you can just draw your own circle, and usually leave about 1 inch on the inside of it, like this. So you trace a circle, and then there it is. See, there's that inner circle. Then the trick to cut that inner circle out is you fold the circle in half, like so. So you see, you have like a half circle, like that, right? Okay, so what you do is you take those lines that you drew and you cut the inside of the circle, like so. Ta-da! Look at there. It's like a donut, but it's a life preserver, a lifesaver. Whoa. All right, so here comes the fun part. I decided to draw some lines on here, like so. So you can kind of make it look like a real life preserver. Like I said, you don't have to use the the ruler. So there we go. So though I drew the lines, see the lines? Can you see them? It's kind of hard. There's the lines. So then you get your trusty blue pen or marker or crayon or color pencil, and you draw the lines in with the blue. And you don't have to use these colors if you don't want to, but most of the times that's they use kind of red and blue for life preservers. So you color in the blue part, right, like this. Ta-da! See, color it in, color it in. Then you take your red marker, or you could use a pencil, whatever you want. And all you have to do is write Jesus, J-E-S-U-S, at the top. Ta-da! And at the bottom, you write Lifesaver. And that's L-I-F-E-S-A-V-E-R, if you need help spelling. Lifesaver. And then go back with the blue marker on top above the two lines and write is my. And literally, you are all done with this fun craft. It says, Jesus is my lifesaver. That's it. And I hope you had fun. And hopefully I'll get to see you guys very soon. But if not, I miss you guys, and I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. And I will see you soon. Take care, guys.